What is up, guys? Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. In today's video, I'm going to show you the brand new AI booking bot, all within GoHighLevel. You can use this booking bot for all of your clients. So you can implement the booking bot within your dentist sub account. It's all automatically connected up to ChatGPT. I also wanted to give a big thank you to GoHighLevel themselves for gifting me this brand new MacBook Pro M2 edition. They ran a contest recently for the best lead magnet and I came first place, so I literally have the best affiliate offer within the GoHighLevel space. I came first place in the contest for having the best lead magnet for all of the affiliates. So if you're interested in checking out that exact landing page right there, click the link down below. It's my free course link. It goes through my offer and everything that you get for being one of my affiliates. And if you don't already have a GoHighLevel account, you'll get a free 30-day extended free trial link down below. You don't find those 30-day trials very often. If you go to GoHighLevel's website directly, you only get a 14-day trial, but through my link, you get a free 30-day trial that includes a course, access to a full community, weekly coaching calls, bi-weekly guest calls, and a ton more resources. So without further ado, we'll jump straight in. So the first thing you're gonna do is head over to your agency view and click on settings and head over to company over on the left, and you're gonna scroll down and enable LC premium triggers and actions, and also enable workflow AI. It's really only workflow AI you need for this automation right here. I just have these enabled for different automations, but they're two very important things that you need to enable. And also if you want to enable the content AI, which GoHighLevel have recently brought out a full content generation system using AI. So it completely cuts out the tools like Canva. So once those two features are enabled, you want to head over to your sub account, and the sub account is going to be either your sub account if you want to get this up and running for you, or your client sub account. It doesn't really matter. It's super simple to set up. Every single time you get a client, you literally just go in and do this. And you could actually just create a snapshot one time so you can just implement it within all of your client sub accounts every time you sign one. So you want to scroll over to automations, and I have a folder dedicated to literally just all of the YouTube video automations. It's called AI Booking Bot, and it's extremely simple to set up. So the trigger is going to be customer replied, but it doesn't really matter what platform or channel you go here. So the trigger for this automation is going to be customer replied. If you just scroll down, customer replied, the first filter is going to be reply channel, and this does not really matter. You can do whatever you want here. It can be a chat widget submission, it can be an email, it can be a Facebook message, it could be Instagram DMs, Google My Business, whatever. But for this, I'm going to choose SMS, and you can keep adding more filters if you want. You can do, say for example, you can do something like has tag, and so it's only going to be the contacts with that tag is actually going to receive the message. Let's just say it's like affiliate, for example. I'm going to turn off the filters right there because I don't really need it. I just need the SMS reply. Then the next step, which is this, is going to be a workflow AI one. It's going to be ChatGPT. So if you just click on that, it's going to pull this right here up, and this is what I have in here. So it's just your name is user.name, and this pulls it directly from the sub accounts. It would be your name is Jason. You're a helpful, creative, clever, and friendly assistant designed to book appointments into the calendar. Start your SaaS.growth.info. That's just the landing page. There's not actually a calendar on there. It's just for this. Please answer any questions the person has. Also address them by their first name and then contact first name, message body. For the temperature, for this, I'm just going to use 0.5. I've seen a lot of different temperatures. I've seen people do 0.7, 0.2. And it actually gives like a bit of an explanation here. So 0.2 will make it more focused and deterministic. So it's just going to be super straight to the point. Whereas the higher you go, the more sort of randomized it's going to be, the more sort of leg room that ChatGPT has to play with. So I'm going to click on Save Action. And the next thing is going to be an SMS. And this is going to send the actual response back to the lead. But I'm not going to type anything here. What you do is click on custom values, scroll down to ChatGPT, and it's going to be the response to this one. So it's going to be ChatGPT.1.response. We're going to save action. We're going to publish this right here. And what we can actually do is just do, no, we won't. We'll head over to settings and allow re-entry. And what this does, it allows the automation to keep firing, because if you don't enable that, each lead is only going to get one response, whereas this is a booking bot, so you want to just sort of keep going over and back with them. So I'm going to go ahead and test this. So I'm over here in conversations, and I'm going to send over a message to the number right here, and we'll see if it's going to come through. So I had messaged the booking bot with, hey Jason, my name is Ryan. Just wondering if you guys have any availability for an appointment next week. And the bot instantly replied with, "Hi Ryan, nice to meet you. I'm here to assist you with booking appointments. To check for availability, could you please let me know which specific day and time you're looking for next week?" So I'm going to go ahead and respond with, "Thanks Jason, does next Friday at 7 a.m. work?" And we're going to hit send, and we're going to see the response come directly in here, and the booking bot will respond right away. So yeah, it says, "Hi Jason, it's great to assist you regarding your question. Could you please provide more context? Are you asking for next Friday at 7? So you just sort of play around with it, add more prompts. The more prompts you have, the more accurate it's actually going to be. This is a great booking bot if you want to free up a lot of manual time for not only yourself, but also your client. Because a lot of local businesses have inbound leads coming in all the time, and sometimes the secretary just doesn't have time to respond to them all, especially as quick as this. You could also play around with the automation and add something like a 30-second wait step, so it's not literally completely automatic. It's going to wait a bit so the person actually thinks there's a human on the other end of that. That's pretty much the whole video going over the AI booking bot. As you can see, it's extremely simple to set up. If you do have any questions about this, feel free to comment them down below. Again, if you don't have a HighLevel account, feel free to sign up for a free 30-day extended free trial. Down below, you'll get access to all the bonuses that I mentioned. You'll instantly get access to the course and everything that you need to start and scale your own profitable SaaS business within the next 30 days. Literally everything in that course is designed to help you get everything up and running in as fast as time possible. It not only goes through the whole setup process, but also how to get clients, how to retain clients, what to actually offer those clients. Literally all the systems that we use to do it, it's all in the course. I didn't hold anything back. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have enjoyed it, make sure to drop a like on this video and subscribe. Again, if you have any questions, comment them down below. I'm going to leave my Instagram account down below as well in the description. Feel free to drop me over a follow if you do have any more questions about the program. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.